How to make a travel vlog intro in Kinemaster. So, you have clicked hundreds of pics in your last trip and you want to create an unique intro for your travel vlog. So here is a super easy tutorial to create an amazing travel vlog intro in Kinemaster. Step 1. Open your video editing app Kinemaster. Create a new project but do not import any media. Go to Settings, Editing and change this default photo duration from 4.5 seconds to 0.1 second. Next, go to Media and import your images. Each image will be 0.1 seconds long. I imported the images one by one and made the intro 10 seconds long. Yes, there are some repetitions.
2,000 years later.
Let's play the video. Okay. Export video. Here comes step 2. Create another Kinemaster project and import your video exported in step 1. Next, add a white background at the end. White image. Add your text in black, the name of your travel location. Do some text formatting. And then place your playhead somewhere here and take a snapshot of the text on white background like this. Capture and add as layer. Drag the new layer to the front and delete the text layer and the white image layer. Next, drag the image to around 4 seconds and extend till the end. Add in animation of fade in and set duration to 3 seconds or more. Change blending to multiply. Play. Let's go to Asset Store. Clip Graphics. Search the asset Cinematic Intro and Outro. Install this effect. Now add this effect to the video clip. Select video layer. Go to Clip Graphics, Cinematic Intro and Outro and then select the sixth option. Set title text blank by adding a space. You can also experiment and add text here instead of earlier. And our intro is ready. Wait, I forgot to add the music. This track is downloaded from YouTube Audio Library. Everything has a beginning. Finally, go to Project Settings and add audio fade out of 0.5 seconds so that the audio does not end abruptly. Do some adjustments if required. And our intro is ready. Let's play the output. Wonderful. So we have created a super easy travel vlog intro Kinemaster. Now watch this intro. So if you want to create a travel vlog intro like this, check video on left. Or for other vlog intro tutorials, check playlist on right. So see you there in my next video. Thanks for watching.